Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. So inside this video, let's talk about Solaxy. Might be this video will be the last video about the Solaxy. This is the Solana presale project, and finally after 6 hours we will see the listing inside exchanges. Make sure to claim the token. So further we will check about the burning, we will check the price, so still you have chance to purchase the token. So watch this video, share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about presale project, Pi network, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So welcome back to Solaxy presale project. This is the first Solana layer 2 presale project. I'm sure the project will give you profit for the long term. You know why? The project is going to launch its own, I can say, the decentralized exchange. Even I can say about the bridge, the Neptune, even the wiki, igniter. These things are coming in the future. Somehow Solana is, I can say, the Solaxy is the first layer 2 of the Solana. And then multi-chain, of course we will see different blockchain in here. So this is the best meme coin. So Solaxy, soon we will see the listing or the launching inside major exchanges. It can be about MEXC, Bitmart, Get.io, many more small exchanges. In the future, of course, if we see the new volume in the market, the new investors in the market, lots of developments, so of course we will see the listing inside top exchanges. For example, Binance, Coinbase, OKX, KuCoin, Bybit. So still you have chance to purchase this presale project. The price is 0.2 times 0 is 1766. So after 6 hours, here you can see token launches in 6 hours. Somehow I can say 5 hours 54 minutes. Even you can see people are purchasing lots of amount of Solaxy because this is the last chance. So that's why I'm telling you, do not miss this project. The link is in the description if you want to purchase it. So make sure click on the link, connect your wallet. You can connect Best Wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask Wallet in order to purchase Solaxy. Okay, the thing is in here, if we check the X account, okay, so here you can see on 20th June, so they just burned 20 billion Solaxy. See in here 20 billion they just transferred to the burn wallet. So overall I can say 55 billion just transferred to the burn wallet. So from 100%, 40% already transferred to the burn wallet. So 60% supply is remaining in the market. You can check in here. This is the website. So teams are just burning the token. Even I can say things are coming in the future, like if you check Solaxy testnet, here you can see. So further you can check about the dev updates, seen here. So if we check this, read more. So here you can see 20 billion just transferred to the burn wallet. It means that from 100%, 40% supply just removed permanently, removed from the market. So this is what I'm sure the project will give you profit. So what you need to do, just believe on the project because ecosystem looks amazing. So make sure unstake your token and then claim your token. After 6 hours we will see the listing, we will see the claiming. So further I can say the listing will be inside the Uniswap, so you can sell it. What I can say, make sure to book your profit at least 50%. Do not hold it. I'm telling you, book your profit because we will see a huge pump to the upside and then a huge dump to the downside. Make sure to book your profit. In the future, don't tell me that we lost our money. Make sure at least book 50%. So only 6 hours, this is the last chance. Make sure to check this project because I can say this is the first Solana layer 2 presale project. Things are coming in the future. Teams are working very hard. So I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Smash the like button. 20 time high, still did not subscribe to our channel. Make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So this video is end up being here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.